Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. With masks here to stay, why not make our masks look creative? So today we'll see how to paint on a mask. All we need is a mask, acrylic paints and a brush. That's it. So here I've taken a mask. It's a cotton mask which is more preferred. So I've taken crimson color, mixed a little bit of black to it, and yes, that's the color you get. You can first draw your design with a pencil onto the mask and then paint it. I'm drawing it directly. So I've just chosen a simple leaf pattern for this. Since you're painting on cloth, make sure you don't take a lot of water while painting. Since if you take a lot of water, the paint may spread. So we just go on making the leaf designs in a random manner. So you can edit your design as you want. You can have some small leaves, some leaves which are big. I've mentioned all the materials used in the description box, so do have a look. Now we're done with the left side. Now let's move on to the right side. So we'll follow the same design on the right as well. See, our mask is done. So pretty and so simple. So go try it out. These are some of the mask designs I tried out. So you can try them too. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.